everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you a very practical way to increase your average order value on Shopify using product bundles. And more importantly, how to actually set it up step by step without paying for expensive apps. A lot of new stores focus only on getting more traffic. But honestly, one of the fastest ways to grow revenue is much simpler. It's getting each customer to spend a little more per order. And this is not a new trick. Retail has been doing this for years. Think about gift sets or complete outfits in stores. Instead of asking customers to figure things out themselves, you present a ready-made combination. That's exactly what bundles do. Instead of selling one product, you sell a complete solution. Skincare becomes a routine. Clothing becomes a full look. And because the decision is already made for the customer, they are much more likely to buy more in one go. Now let's get into the actual setup, because this is where most videos stop, but this is what you really need. First, go to your Shopify admin and install the Shopify Bundles app. Once it's installed, click into the app and create a new bundle. What this does is actually create a new product in your store, but that product is made up of multiple items. So, for example, you can add 2 or 3 products into one bundle and sell them as a single offer. After you create the bundle, you'll notice it looks like a product, but may not have complete information. In this demo, I'll use Shopify Sidekick to quickly generate product details. Next, make sure you set the bundle status to active. If you skip this step, it won't show up on your storefront. Then go to your theme editor, add a product section to a page, and simply select the bundle product you just created. Now your bundle will be displayed just like a normal product on your site. That's it! No custom code, no paid app, and you already have a working bundle offer? From a business perspective, this does 2 things at the same time. It increases your order value, and it reduces decision friction. Customers don't need to think about what to pair together. You've already done that for them. One important tip here. Don't overcomplicate this in the beginning. Start with one simple bundle. One main product plus one logical add-on. Watch how it performs, then iterate based on your actual data. That's how you turn this from a feature into a real growth lever. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Shopify insights from our team at Shine Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.